Children, in this video I'm going to teach you circle, and in this video I'm going to cover what do you mean by circle, what do you mean by circumference, center, radius, diameter, arc, major arc, minor arc. Then we'll go for chord and subtended of the angle. So please watch this video till end. In this video I'm going to teach you circle. A circle is a collection of all those points, say point A, B, P, in a plane, each of which is at a constant distance from a fixed point in that plane. Okay, fixed point in that plane. Let the means this is a fixed point, let it be O, from a fixed distance. Okay, if you draw one circle, so this fixed point is called center. This is known as a center, and this point P, and this is the points made up of points. Okay, points, fixed point called the center, and the constant distance is called, this constant distance is known as radius. This constant distance is known as radius. Up to here you write down. Remember, all radii means this is same, their length will be same. Suppose if you draw from this center to here, it will be, if it is 3 cm, therefore it will be also 3 cm, this side also 3 cm, this side also 3 cm, their distance will be remain same. Center of the circle always lies on the inside the circle, means it is always lies inside the means interior of the circle. Okay, the line segment joining the any two points of a circle is, suppose this is 1 point and this is 1 point, let it be 1 point, any 2 points join the line segment joining any 2 points of a circle is called a chord of the circle. This is known as a chord. This part is known as a chord. This is known as a chord. Okay, and as we know, diameter means twice of radius. This is one radius, this is one radius, so twice of radius. This is the longest chord of a circle. This is known as a diameter. Up here write down. A part of a circle is called an arc of the circle. See, this is arc, this is semicircle, this is half of the circle, this is also arc. Okay, and the full circle, this is also an arc, but this is a complete arc. Means a continuous part of a circle is called an arc of the circle. Okay, the whole arc of a circle is called circumference. This is a whole arc. Suppose this is whole arc of a circle is called circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle of the circle. Okay, 1/2 of the whole arc. 1/2 means, suppose this is one circle, this half it will be like this. So 1/2 of a circle is known as what? Semicircle. 2 circles are called equal. 2 circles are called equal if and only if they have same radius. Suppose its radius is 2 cm, if it is also 2 cm, they will be equal. Up here write down. The perpendicular, let it be the center O, the perpendicular to a chord, AB is a chord. Okay, from the center bisects its chord equal. Suppose if this is x, AB is equal to x, therefore let it be m. So this will be x by 2 and this will be also x by 2. Write down. There is one and only one circle that can passes through the three given non-collinear points. Suppose one point A, other point B, and this is your C. So this is non-collinear because they are not in the same line. Okay, so see, 1, 2, 3 points are there. So 3 points are there. These are the known as non-collinear points. If two arcs, suppose here you draw one circle. Suppose one arc, this is P and this is Q and this is center. From the center O you draw one line and this arc PQ, and so here the angle subtended by two bounding radii of an arc of a circle 2. Suppose this is O, okay, and this is one more point, means this is touching the here, this means point is boundary of the circle. So this is this figure, you just let it be R. So in this case the angle subtended by the two bounding radii, this is one radii, this is one radii, two bounding radii of an arc of a circle at the center of the circle is called the angle subtended by the arc. This arc is PQ. From this figure you know that this is your adjoining figure. Angle POQ is the angle subtended by the minor arc. This is your minor arc and smaller arc. And PQ of a circle with center O. This is center O, and the reflex means what? This is this side, outer of this side. So this is your reflex, means this is your reflex angle POQ angle subtended by the major arc PQ. This is your major arc PQ at O. If R is any point on the major arc, this is our major arc, okay, then angle PRQ is called the angle subtended by the minor arc PQ at the point R. Now after that we will go for some problem to solve. Exercise 15.1, it is given that calculate the length of a chord which is at a distance 12 cm from the center of a circle of radius 13 cm. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to draw one circle. So one circle, this one, okay, and here we have to first, this is our center O, and this is one chord, let it be A, and this is B, and this center you draw to point A, okay, and OM is the perpendicular, okay. Now here it is given AB is a chord, this is AB is a chord, one chord AB, write down AB is a chord of the given circle, with center center O and OA is the radius. OM perpendicular to AB, since M is the midpoint, therefore since M is the midpoint, therefore OM therefore means OA equal to 13 centimeter, because it is given, since it is given since it is given O equal to 13 centimeter as a radius, and OM the calculate the length of a chord. Okay, distance 12 centimeter. OM is given 13 centimeter. Now this part is given, we can find out this part by Pythagoras theorem. So in right triangle OMA, we can write OA square equal to OM square plus AM square, because OM is perpendicular to AB, therefore what, AM equal to MB, because M is the midpoint. Okay, here OA, the value of OA is given 13 centimeter, OM's value is also given what, 12 centimeter, and AM we have to find out. Therefore AM square equal to 13 into 13, 169 minus 144, it will be 25. Therefore AM equal to under root 25 means 5 centimeter. Therefore radius means chord AB you have to find. Chord AB equal to 2 into AM equal to 2 into 5 equal to 10 centimeter. Write down. Question number 3 solution. It is given that a chord of a length 8 centimeter is at a distance 3 centimeter from the center of the circle. Calculate the radius of the circle. This chord is given 8 centimeter. This is your center. This is perpendicular. This is O. Let it be M, and this is given 8 centimeter. Therefore it will be 4. It will be also 4, and join O and A. This is our radius. This OA we have to find out. So AB, write down. Chord AB equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore AM, okay, therefore AM is the what? AM is the midpoint. AM is the midpoint. Therefore AM equal to MB equal to 4 centimeter. And OM, this distance is given. OM is given 3 centimeter. Now we have to find out the radius. So OA means in triangle OMA. OA square equal to OM square plus AM square by Pythagoras theorem. OA square equal to OM means 3 square plus 4 square. This is 9 plus 16. OA square, this implies that. Okay, so OA equal to under root 25. It will be OA equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeters. So radius equal to 5 centimeter. Write down. Question number 5, it is given that a chord of length 16 centimeter is at distance 6 centimeter from the center of the circle. Find the length of the chord of the same circle which is at a distance 8 centimeter from the center. Here once chord is given whose length is given 16 centimeter. If this is 16 means this will be 8 and this will be also 8, because as we know M is the midpoint and OM means length is given, distance is given 6 centimeter, and in another chord means that CD chord, that distance from center to that chord is given, means ON is 8 centimeter. First of all we have to find out it is given AB is the chord of a circle with radius OA. AB is a chord of a circle with radius is given. Radius is given. Radius is given. No, it is not given. Huh? Radius we have to not given. Radius is not given. We have to find out. So radius OA. So first of all, in triangle OAM, in triangle OM, this is M. This is M. Okay, this is 8. This is also 8 because this length of the AB chord is 16. So OMA in triangle OA square equal to AM square plus OM square. So OA square equal to AM is 8 square plus 6 square. This is 64. This is 36 equal to 100 centimeter square, means value of OA square. Therefore OA equal to under root 100 means 10 centimeters. This part I got means 10 centimeter. Okay, now if this is 10 centimeter OA, this is also radius OC, so this will be also 10, this will be also 10. So here this length is given, so this is creating 90 degree. So in triangle ONC, this is N, ONC triangle, in right angle triangle ONC, OC square equal to ON square plus CN square. Here OC means 10 square equal to ON, this is 8 square plus CN square, let it be remain same. Therefore CN square I can write 100 centimeter square minus 8 centimeter square means 64 centimeter square, means this will be 36 centimeter square. Therefore CN equal to 6 centimeter. Up to here you write down. Now according to the question we have to find the length of the chord of the same circle which is at a distance 8, means this chord we have to find out. This chord value already given, this chord we have to find out, means CD. So CD, therefore CD equal to 2 into CN, therefore 2 into 6 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter. Write down please. Watching this video till and please share, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.